went into the pandemic 32 months ago with 70 operating relationships. We have 63 today, 7 of which are new.
I'm joined today by Taylor Pickett, CEO of Omega Healthcare Investors. So Taylor, with seniors remaining active into their 80s and beyond, how do Omega's skilled nursing facilities evolve to meet care and amenity expectations while also remaining reasonably priced?
Yeah, no, it's a great question. There's really two things I would think about, but the principal one is technology and the use of technology, not just in skilled nursing facilities, but in the senior housing world, and the efficiencies that come along with that. So I think you'll see it in food service, in therapies, in entertainment, just creating those efficiencies around the business. And then specifically with skilled, in addition to technology, I would look to just improving clinical outcomes, which we've seen over the years as acuity's gone higher and it'll continue to go higher, as you point out, with aging, that proving that your outcomes continue to improve allows that industry to receive the kind of reimbursement they need to take care of our senior population, which is critical. So both federal and state reimbursement, and typically you see the governments respond when you're able to deliver high quality care.
And Omega acquired MedEquities Realty Trust shortly before the pandemic. How did the pandemic impact plans that you may have had in place following the merger, or shift your strategy there?
Yeah, interestingly, it didn't really change our strategy at all. It wasn't a strategic acquisition for us, it was mostly opportunistic. And so the pandemic didn't really change anything. We got some really nice assets, including an acute care hospital in Texas run by Baylor, which continues to perform well. But with the pandemic, we did sort a big portion of our portfolio. We went into the pandemic 32 months ago with 70 operating relationships. We have 63 today, 7 of which are new. So 14 operators exited the relationship with Omega, and we've improved our credit that way. So that was really the big impact from our perspective on the portfolio.
And Omega has been involved over the past several years in gender and broader diversity initiatives. Why are diversity issues so important to the company, and how do you take action on them?
Yeah, it's interesting. It was easy for us to sign the pledge because we felt like we were already involved heavily in diversity, equity, and inclusion and thinking about it. But to say it out loud and to codify it as part of our DNA, have it culturally be important to the team, but also be a leadership generally within the industry, I think those are the things that we want to do, and we want to express to our internal folks and to the external world.